How to add music to WhatsApp status. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first go to updates and then go to my status. Now make sure to play the music in background before starting this process. Now go to camera and now go to video. After that, tap and hold the capture button while you are playing the music and then upload it. So that's it. That's how you do it. There is no other way than this currently. You cannot add or surf for music directly from the internet and put it in your WhatsApp status. The only method is recording the video while you have a music playing in the background. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.